As it stands now, count 1 is one of murder, count 2 one of fraud, count 3 one of fraud, and count 4 one of defeating the ends of justice. Just need you to understand that. Thank you. Do you understand that? Thank you. Mr. Mashlangu?
As the court pleases your worship, to confirm that I'm on record on behalf of the accused before you, that the submissions by my colleague, the state, with the inclusion of a further charge of defeating the ends of justice, was communicated to the state, to the defense, on the basis that the state had not realized that it had not attached the further charge on the charge sheet that it was submitted to the Honorable Court, and we have no objection to them adding the charge on the reasons advanced by the state. Your worship, as court pleases.
Thank you. At the state of the proceedings, Mr. Advocate, is the state opposed to the release of the accused?
Your worship, the state is opposing the release of the accused on bail. Your worship, this is in fact this matter falls under Schedule 6. Therefore, the state is going to apply that this matter be postponed for 7 days, Your worship. Reason being, we still need to get the profile of the accused before this court and to confirm some of the information. However, the state is opposing the release of the accused on bail, and the state is going to proceed with formal bail application.
Thank you. Mr. Mashlangu, can you address me in terms of Section 6011B of the Criminal Procedure Act regarding the accused's previous convictions, pending matters, or any outstanding warrants?
You should please, Honorable Court, the accused appears before you with no pending cases against her name, no outstanding warrants against her name. However, she has a previous conviction of assault GBH. That would have been sometime 25 years back. She's not certain of the date, but she believes it was before the year 2000. In that matter, she was convicted but given a suspended sentence, Your Worship. So that is the only outstanding, that is the only previous conviction she has, and besides that, there's nothing else, Your Worship, court pleases.
Ibile ga gona makolo tshwaro ape a tswileng mo leineng la gago ka matshwao a mangwe ga ona di-warrant of arrest, mme o kile wa bona molato ke lekgotla mo nakong e e fetileng ka nna dingwaga di 25 tse di fetileng mo o neng o bona molato ka go tlhasela motho ka maikelo wa go mo tlhagisa dikgobalo tse di masisi mo mmeleng wa gago ga o gopole ngwaga sentle gore e ne le ka ngwaga mang ga o ne o bona molato ka molato wa go tlhasela motho.
Thank you. Mr. Khametsi, at this stage of the proceedings, the state is opposed to your release. That means your legal representative will have to bring a formal bail application. The bail application will fall within Schedule 6 of the bail laws to prove to this court that exceptional circumstances exist for this court to consider releasing you on bail. Do you understand?
Ola ketika busigwa ko morago matsatsi a le supa mme jaaka o tlhageletse mo pele ga lekgotla tatofatso yo le baganeng le yone ke ya boleng ja Schedule 6 se se ra gore go mo magetleng a gago gore o supe mo pele ga lekgotla gore go mo dikgatlhegelong tsa bosiamisi gore o ka golwa ka bele.
That being said, as the state and the defense agreed on the date for a formal bail application, the suggestion 24.
Yeah, the 24th of November 2024, Your Worship, for formal bail application. Thank you.
It suits my diary, Your Worship, as court pleases. It was communicated between the state and the defense, and the defense is amenable to the 24th, on condition that the state on that day would have had its house in order, and there would not be any further disturbances to the proceeding of this bail application, as court pleases, Your Worship.
Thank you, Mr. Shaw. Mr. Khametsi, I'm postponing your matter till the 24th of November. That is for purposes of you applying for your bail application. The state is at this stage of the proceeding opposed to your release. You will remain in custody. I'll see you on the 24th of November for purposes of your bail application. You can stand up.
24 November beke e tlalla botlhano 24 November 2023 gore o tle go dira kopo ya gago ya beili seo se ra gore o tla nna ntse o tswaletse go fitlhela ka di 24 tsa November 2023.
As the court, Your Worship, that concludes my role. May I be excused from my colleague to proceed, Your Worship?
Your Worship, that concludes my
Thank
business before this honorable court may also be excused, Your Worship. And thank you for having heard us, Your Worship, as court pleases. Thank you.
Ka nna fatshe marona